The Import Nearmaps tool can be found here in the LandArchTools palette. To import a Nearmaps file into Rhino, go to Nearmaps, select the area that you would like to download, select the projection that you would want. In this case, we're going to go with GDA 94, MGA Zone 55, and the highest resolution that you need. And then make sure to include the georeference file. Click Save. Once that's downloaded, extract the zip file. And in the file, you'll have two separate files. Go back into Rhino, click this button here, and it will ask for a .jgw file. Go into your download folder and click the JGW file, and then it will ask for a .jpeg file. Click your JPEG file. You might not see anything on your screen, but if you go Zoom Extents, you should zoom out and have the fully scaled and geolocated image reference file.